Hey YouTube, welcome back to Determined Nurse channel. Like I said, I was just rambling on the other one. I'm just gonna ramble on this one because this is just a rambling day. I'm crazy. Y'all will find that out. I'm so silly. I'm silly, bubbly. But anywho, who cares about that? But like I said on the previous one, this is my hair care treatment. Woo-hoo. Don't have to do my hair for the rest of the semester. But I'm just super excited about this semester coming up. Like I said, I'm just still getting prepared. I'm still following my calendar. But I missed yesterday. I missed yesterday and I missed the 27th. So I have to make up those days with my math. Because I have to do some math that I have to make up. I'm on my last section of my math because my teacher, she gave us practice math or whatever to have over the break. And just, so we can get acquainted with everything. So I've been practicing my math because, as you know, we have that math exam when we go back to school, which is this week coming up. This Thursday coming up, we go back to school. Well, I don't have to start class, but I'm gonna go on campus so I can get my books because I do not have my books yet, unfortunately, because I have to wait for my refund money because normally I go online to Amazon and get it for cheaper because they're able to compare. But money is kind of low, so I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta wait till the first day of classes start, so I go to the bookstore, get in this long line. That's another reason why I hate go to bookstore. Not only their prices, but we have to stand in this long line because everybody trying to get their books. But gotta do it. Gotta stand in line. I'll come with another video when I actually do go on campus on January 3rd. I'll come out with another video, let you know how it went, how I felt about just going on campus that day. I'll come back and blog about that. But so I just been practicing my math still. Nothing going on too much. I really don't want to sound redundant, so I'm not gonna even talk about nursing right now. So what can I talk about? What you want to talk about? Remember to subscribe to this channel. Also, I don't know how to rename my videos yet. I don't know what they're popping up like video 1, video 5, stuff like that. Gotta figure that out. So if you know, comment up under my videos and let me know how to rename them because I'm uploading from my webcam and I don't see a section of how to rename it. It just pops up video this, video that, and when I upload it, that's what it names it. It won't let me edit it or edit the name. So if you know how to do that, just comment and let me know how to do that so I can give y'all good headers because I've been putting the titles of my of the video in the description box. So that's what that means. But if you know how to do it, let me know so I can change it so you guys can go sort out the videos that you want to watch and don't want to watch or whatever, so you'll know what's what. But for now, just look in the description box. It'll tell you what's the name of the video. But other than that, I've been great. Hope you guys still been enjoying your break, your Christmas break. But it's time to get back on the ground, time to get back on the thing. As it get closer and closer to go to school, even though I've been preparing my mind and everything, as it getting closer, I am getting more and more anxious. I mean, more and more nervous. It's just like, it's coming out of nowhere. It's like, you should know what to expect because it's like, I'm getting in the groove of things, got in the groove of things, fundamentals, but you can't, but it's like in nursing, you can't get comfortable because it's like each semester is something new, something enjoyable to bring some more challenges and obstacles that we got to overcome. But I'm excited, but at the same time, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I can't sing, y'all, but I'm finna sing because I just feel like it. I love you, Jesus. I worship and adore you. I just want to tell you, Lord, I love you more than anything. Okay, that's it. I just want to do that. I don't know why. It was kind of random. Can't sing, but hey, I just did it. Bye, guys. I'm retarded. Bye, y'all.